Tired of cable bills and complicated setups? The Roku Streaming Stick Plus might just be the answer to your streaming prayers. This little device packs a serious punch, transforming any TV into a smart entertainment hub. Let's dive in. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: the Stick Plus itself, the powerful voice remote, a power adapter, and even batteries. Sleek and compact, it's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and boom, you're greeted with Roku's super-friendly interface. And the best part? An incredibly smooth, lag-free streaming experience thanks to the Stick Plus S long-range wireless. Access all your favorite streaming services and tons of free content. Roku's got you covered with endless movies, TV shows, live news, and more. Plus, the Roku Channel offers Roku Originals and even some free live TV channels. That voice remote? A game changer. Say goodbye to endless scrolling. Search for titles, actors, or even genres, hands-free. Even control your TV's power and volume with compatible models. And that's not all. Stream from your phone with the Roku app. Listen privately with headphones. The possibilities are endless. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus is an absolute powerhouse in a tiny package. Super affordable, easy to use, and packed with features that make streaming a breeze. If you're looking to cut the cord and elevate your viewing experience, the Roku Streaming Stick Plus gets our enthusiastic thumbs up. I'll put a link in the description where you can snag one for your very own. Thanks for watching.